video, we are going to understand the variables of code.apache. So, well, in the toolbox, there is a purple color section that is variables. So, what are these variables? So, if you have followed the AppLab series, then you might have seen there that I have already taught you what are variables. But still, if you have not followed that series, I am going to teach you now. But still, if you have already followed the AppLab series, and if you are watching this video, then I would recommend you to watch this video so that you have a good revision and then you will have a good idea when you are making the case. So what are variables exactly? So when we create a new sprite, there is already comes that variable sprite. So we have already used that. What is this variable? This is variables are nothing but they define a particular variable so that we don't have to type the same thing again and again. Suppose if I take this variable, what should I do here? Suppose I do variable x is equal to, if I do variable x is equal to hello, and then I do console.log is equal to this variable, that is x, and when I run it, then it will show that in console hello. So what is console.log exactly? Let me show you. Console.log is nothing but whenever we right click and when we click on inspect, then there is something here called as console. Whenever you click there, then here you can write all the codes we need and do the changes in the web page. But still the changes would be only there in the front end page but not in the back end. So it will just change here, and as soon as you close this page, the changes would be removed because these are temporary. So this is actually what console.log is. This is where you write the codes. You can write anything. Same here. It is here the console.log. Here, any mistake if you have done in your game, then all the mistakes would appear here. If you have done any syntax error, see, whenever I go to show text, and if I do a syntax error, reset to run, wait. If I like if you do any error like making anyone in control, and if you are doing if statement, you do some mistakes and all, then all your errors would be shown in the debug console. So this is actually what console is.